Wonder why your iPhone shows two different ways to answer calls? Here's the reason. When your iPhone is unlocked, you'll see two buttons: green to answer, red to decline. This happens when you're actively using your phone. But when your iPhone is locked, you'll see slide to answer. There's no decline button on this screen. This is intentional. Apple designed it this way to prevent accidental taps. If your phone is in your pocket or bag, buttons can be pressed easily. The slider is harder to trigger by accident. So, it reduces accidental answers or declines. If you want to decline a call while locked, press the side button twice. This will reject the call instantly. So the two screens depend on whether your iPhone is locked or in use. And that's it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.